Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to identify high probability trade entry. So first things first, you need to open your chart and make sure your support and resistance levels are still in play. If they are not in play, make sure you adjust them before do anything. Then you check for your trend. And once that you had done that, you look for your secondaries, your indicators. In my case, I look for the RSI and the stochastics. So after I done all these checks, I saw that the price reject the 4,116 resistance level 3 times recently. As you can see here, once, twice, 3 times. And the price today was moving into a range of 4,099 to 4,116, making this little consolidation here. And then I found that would be a good opportunity for a trade once that this level breaks. That was where my secondary indicators came along. So I look at the RSI and I saw this bearish divergence here. And then I check on the stochastic and I saw this beautiful smooth crossing moving downwards. That was a great signal for me. I just needed to wait for the support of 4,099 breaks so I could get my entry. So I moved to a lower time frame, 5 minutes time frame, while I look for a good entry. So let me show you here, guys. When the price finally broke the 4,099 with this beautiful bearish candle, that I was more confident on the trade, but still I didn't want to take the trade yet, do this little price movement here. So I was watching calmly until price move high again and retest this resistance level. Now is a resistance. Here was a support. So now the price move up, tested what became a resistance and start to move lower. Once that I saw this big bearish candle, 5 minutes candle, I entered my trade because I knew it. That would be a good setup. But I only took this trade after everything lights up. So my advice for you is, first of all, check your primaries, support, resistance, and trend. Once that you've done that, look for confirmations on your secondaries like I did here using RSI and the stochastics. About the profit, yes, I closed the position earlier today. I took profit in 2 stages. The first one, when the prices start to sort of consolidate here on 4,075. I look backwards and I saw that this area hold the price before. So I took 50% of my position here and I let the rest run. When again the prices start to make this little support resistance area here, I closed my position completely. The main reason was today's Friday and I don't want to hold a position over the weekend because you never know which sort of news is going to come up over the weekend. You don't know how the market's going to behave. It's not easy to come up with a strategy. Sometimes take weeks, months, even years for you to find what actually works for you. This strategy works for me and I'm willing to explain you guys in deep. If you like to, just leave a comment asking for more explanation, or if you want me to talk about something else, it will be my pleasure to do so. Also, let me know if you want to be part of our group chat where I share my trades almost every single day. Sometimes I share my setups before it happens when I'm just watching them. So yes, let me know in the comments and please like and subscribe.